this is Vaishabh Jalmi and welcome to my YouTube channel Electronic Curiosities. In my last video, you have seen what's inside 85 watt CFL bulb and its comparison with 32 watt CFL bulb. You can find my video in the description. Today we are going to see what's inside this keyboard. Uh, if you like my video, you can share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If I make any mistakes in my videos, you can freely comment me below. I will be very happy to correct myself. So let's see what's inside this. I am opening it now. You can see this is a circuit of it. This is a keyboard matrix circuit. It has two layers. This is a top layer from the back side. This has this rubbers, but I think these all are rubbers for all the keys that will push these circuits. These have circuits. I will show you, just wait. Remove here you can see it has here circuit. Here you can see these are the indication light. When you press cap lock and all, it will show here. This means this light will glow. It has a small capacitor of value 10 microfarads, and this is a wire. You can see this you connect to your computer, and this is a PCB circuit. This has its own controller. It controls the circuit. This will control this. This will fix here. This fixes here, means these are connected to this. This is a keyboard matrix, circuit matrix. It works at what once, means if you select one key, and when you press key, all the path will be open and only that part will be connected to this. Means small current will flow through it, and this processor will means this controller will detect if you are means you are select means using two keys together. Then there are rare cases that both the keys will be work, or it is only working for one key. Means if you press only one key will be controlled by taken by this. This is a circuit, and this is matrix keyboard matrix. When you push this key, the back side is like this. You can you are pushing this rubber is there. When you pushes it, these are fixes in this. When you push, the circuit will completed, and it will send to this controller, and your computer will be selected this word or letter. This is a main part here. Here the circuit is connected, so from here it is come here, then the controller is connected. So as you can see, it has this it has this keyboard matrix circuit, and this rubber that connects this circuit. It connects only one key at a time. Maybe case make take two keys together when you press both the keys, but it takes at a times only one key. So that's it. Only these are there inside this. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, you can share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.